Hey guys, it's Pixelpop again. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at detailed prototyping in Adobe XD. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so let's start out with the key. So the key, remember green, red, and blue lines. For the green line, it's yes. For the blue line, it means no. And for the my bad, for the red line it means no, and for the blue line it means going to the next page. So let's describe basically what this app is. So first check, it's an app that lets you check first before you actually spend any money. Based on the amount that you have in your pocket, you can reference it with what you have input into first check. So any amount you have, if it passed that limit, then well, you know, should have checked first. Alright, so as you can see, we're going to be doing detailed prototyping. This is good for handing off to other designers and other developers, or even when working with users for user testing. Alright, let's get started. Now, if the user chooses to continue, then we're going to know, and we'll jump straight to the home page, as you can see. Now, if the user chooses to create an account, then it would choose the email, and then from there the user can basically choose to create an account or log into their account. Now we're at the home page. At the home page, we got our item name, the price for the item, the amount, and you can click on additional info for the item. Here you have a button where you can add a new item. So going on to the next page. So in the bottom navigation bar, as you can see, we have our main home page, which is a shopping cart, and we have our settings page. Now settings page is right below. As you can see, our profile, username, password, tax amount you can set, because most people don't really check tax, and feedback, and our logout. So let's just go back and run through it. So if the user clicks on the add button, they will go to new item, which means they're going to be adding a new item. The new item is the name, the producer, the amount or the weight of the item, and the price. Now the user adds this to their shopping cart, and as you can see, new item, it's gone. It cost $220 and just one. Now say that the user wants to delete this. He made a mistake by adding this, or he wants to delete this. Now to delete an item, you swipe, you have your shopping cart, tap delete, and it's gone. Now what makes this more concise is, as you can see, everything has a title and a description and a detailed arrow, rather than just having the regular prototype view here. Zooming out, let me zoom out, where I should select everything. This kind of looks like a rat's nest. So when handing off to your designer, your coder, or doing user testing, just having it like this can be so much easier. These are additional screens that will be added later, if you guys are wondering what they're for. Alright, now let's get into doing the actual prototype. Alright, so let's now run the prototype. Come on, enter. Oh, it's not running. Give me a sec. Should be running. Here it is, my bad. Alright, so let's go on the home screen. Alright, so as you can see, so we click continue, we jump straight to the home page. But say we click back and we want to click on create account, then we come here, we can sign up, sign in, we click on login, and we're now on the home page. Now if you want to go and check settings page, it's right here if you want to log out and check anything, but we're not going to use this page right now. So let's get back to the home page. We're going to add an item. We input our items right here, click on add, and spice button just as usual. Now you can animate in Adobe XD by using the tool. So first should swipe, click on delete, it's gone. Now in the next video I'll be showing you guys how to do the animation when showing your users or your potential clients how the app is intended to work before actually developing it. Alright, so as you guys can see there, you can see when designing or doing detailed prototyping, this can help the user, this can help the designer, your client, or anybody that just checking your design to see what exactly is going on the screen, especially using a key. So in a summary, whenever we're doing our designs in the future and handing them off, you want our title, description, where everything is actually going, the use cases for everything on screens, and you should have a faster development time. So that's basically it. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you next week for a new video. Pixel Pop out.